Hey everyone! Welcome back to our kitchen. How are you today? Hope you're all healthy and full of energy. Today, I have a super refreshing and delicious recipe for you. Watermelon juice. Who here loves watermelon? This fruit isn't just sweet and refreshing, but it also has tons of health benefits. This watermelon juice is perfect to enjoy on a hot day, after a workout, or anytime you need something fresh to boost your mood. Oh, and later, I'll also share tips on how to pick the sweetest watermelon and how to store the juice so it stays fresh longer. So don't skip the video. All right, let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. Ingredients: half medium-sized watermelon, preferably seedless, 200 milliliters. Cold water or coconut water for extra freshness. 1 to 2 tablespoons honey or sugar. Optional for a sweeter taste. Juice of 1/2 lime or lemon. Optional for extra freshness. A few ice cubes. Optional for a colder drink. Equipment: 1 blender, 1 knife and cutting board, 1 serving glass, 1 strainer, optional for a smoother texture. The ingredients are super simple, right? Watermelon is naturally sweet, so you actually don't need to add sugar. But if you like it sweeter, you can add honey or sugar to taste. For a fresher twist, you can use coconut water instead of regular water. And if you want a little tangy kick, just add a squeeze of lime juice. If everything is ready, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Choosing and preparing the watermelon. Before we start making the juice, I want to share some tips on how to pick the sweetest and juiciest watermelon. Tips for choosing a good watermelon. Check the bottom. Choose a watermelon with a yellowish spot on the bottom. This means it ripened naturally on the vine. Tap the watermelon. A ripe one will produce a deep, hollow sound. Look at the stripes. Watermelons with bold and contrasting stripes are usually sweeter. Pick the heavy one. The heavier it is for its size, the juicier it will be. How to prepare the watermelon. Wash the watermelon thoroughly before cutting. Cut the watermelon in half, then into smaller pieces. Remove the seeds if your watermelon has any. Dice the watermelon for easier blending. While preparing the watermelon, let me share some amazing health benefits of this fruit. Health benefits of watermelon. Hydrates the body. Watermelon is 92% water. Rich in antioxidants. Great for the skin and prevents premature aging. Good for the heart. Contains citrulline, which helps lower blood pressure. Aids muscle recovery. Perfect after workouts to reduce muscle soreness. Low in calories. Ideal for weight management and dieting. Dice the watermelon for easier blending. Okay, now that our watermelon is ready, let's move on to the next step. Blending. Step 3. Blending all the ingredients. Add the watermelon pieces into the blender. Pour in cold water or coconut water for extra freshness. If you want it sweeter, add honey or sugar to taste. Squeeze in a bit of lime or lemon juice for extra tanginess. Add ice cubes to make it colder and more refreshing. As I mentioned earlier, all these extras are optional. It depends on your preference. But for this recipe, I'm just adding cold water. Blend everything until smooth and well combined. This is the most exciting part. Let's blend until the juice is smooth and perfectly mixed. While waiting for the blender to do its job, let me share some fun facts about watermelon. very refreshing drink, especially in summer. The high water content in watermelon helps keep the body hydrated and prevents dehydration. Watermelon contains antioxidants such as vitamin C and lycopene that help fight free radicals in the body. Ideally, consume watermelon juice between 10 a.m. and 12 p.m. This time optimizes hydration and nutrient absorption. Watermelon juice can also be drunk before or after exercise, as its electrolytes can replenish lost energy. Fun facts about watermelon. Watermelon has been around for over 5,000 years. It was first cultivated in ancient Egypt. Watermelons originated from southern Africa. The oldest watermelon seeds were found in Libya, dating back 6,000 years. Ancient Egyptian tomb paintings show that Egyptians consumed watermelons in the Nile Valley around 4,360 BC. Watermelons spread to Mediterranean countries, Europe, China, and the rest of Asia over time. There are over 1,200 varieties of watermelon worldwide. In Japan, there are square watermelons. They grow in boxes to shape them. Is watermelon a fruit or a vegetable? It belongs to the same family as cucumbers and pumpkins. The world's largest watermelon weighed over 150 kilograms. Health benefits of watermelon juice. Keeps the body hydrated due to its high water content. Promotes heart health. Lowers blood pressure. Supports healthy skin. Protects eye health. Boosts the immune system. Aids digestion. Tips for drinking watermelon juice. Always use natural ingredients and avoid adding too much sugar. Consult a doctor or nutritionist before adding it to a new diet or consuming it regularly. Best consumed before or after a workout to replenish lost electrolytes. Alright, the juice is perfectly blended. Now, let's strain and serve it. Step 4. Straining and serving. If you want a smoother texture, strain the juice using a fine strainer. Pour the juice into a serving glass. Add ice cubes if you want it extra cold. Garnish with a mint leaf or a slice of lemon for a more refreshing look. Wow, look at that color. This watermelon juice is naturally bright red. That's a sign of its rich vitamins and antioxidants. If you like your juice with some fiber, you can pour it directly without straining. But if you prefer a smoother texture, feel free to strain it first. And for the final touch, add a mint leaf or a lemon slice for that extra refreshing look. Step 5. Closing. Yay! Our refreshing watermelon juice is ready. This is a super easy, healthy, and incredibly delicious drink. This juice is perfect for breakfast, a post-workout drink, or just a refreshing treat on a hot day. And the best part? It's 100% natural with no preservatives or artificial additives. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support more refreshing recipes. If you try making this at home, let me know in the comments. You can also experiment with other ingredients.